So this is the world's shortest YouTube video that's not a short. Someone has just messaged me in the comments and said that on this machine they are setting everything up as instructed and the sewing machine is just stitching in one spot. So if you remove this part away so that you can get at the bobbin section, it could be, I hope this is what it is, it could be that this switch here is in the wrong position. Now that's normal stitching and that is effectively darning, so it would mean that you would have a embroidery foot on here, and it means that you can free motion your sewing around rather than you having these teeth feeding your work through like this to progress. They get dropped, so press that and you can see the teeth, just see the teeth there underneath the foot. Watch them go down, flick the switch and they go back up. So I suspect what's happened is that whilst putting the bobbin in and getting to use the machine, that you might have actually pressed that by mistake. So flip that the other way and check that the teeth are, you can feel them. I don't recommend you do that while you've got your foot on the pedal in case you put the needle through your finger. But just make sure that you can feel the teeth there, and if not, flick this switch the other way. Hope that helps.